What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a Minecraft wither. Let's begin today's lesson on the top center page with the main head. We're going to start with a straight line going across the top from left to right. Now I want to round out the corners of the head. So I'm just going to bend this around and then down along the side. Let's draw that same length line coming down the side of the head. So I'll start with the left, all the way down, and do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom corners of the head, coming in, go all the way across towards the right, and then we'll round out that corner. Now I want to draw two smaller heads along the side. So halfway down the side of the head, we're going to leave a gap, draw a straight line going across. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to repeat those same steps. So we're going to round out the corners of the head, coming down. And again, drawing that same length line coming down the sides. Let's round out the corner of the head, come across towards the right. Then again, we're just going to round this out. Let's repeat that over on the right side. Let's draw the spine coming down the center. So we're going to leave a gap in the middle. Let's start on the left. Draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Bring that down to right about there. Move over towards the right. Draw that same length line. And then we'll close off the bottom. Now with the heads on the side, we're going to find the middle point. Draw a straight line coming down. Now we're going to connect the bottoms with a straight line going across in behind the spine. And then just underneath the main head, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going across. Let's add 3 sets of ribs on either side. So on the left, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going out about halfway, and line it up on the right. Come down the sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's leave a small gap and do that again. We're going to step down from the left, going across, flatten out the ends, then we'll close off the bottom. Now let's do that one more time. Stepping down, come down the sides, and we'll pull that back in. Now I want to add a small detail in the center. So let's start with a short line going across the top. Come all the way down. Just going to line up with the bottom row of ribs. And we'll flatten that off. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and add in the faces. Let's start with the mouth. Along the bottom, draw a straight line going all the way across. Go up along the side of the mouth. And we'll close off the top. Do the same thing with the side heads. Start with that straight line going across the bottom, go up the sides, and we'll flatten that off. Now let's move up and draw in the eyes. From the top of the mouth, we're going to step up and out, go across. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Now from here, we'll draw 2 squares on either side. So draw that same length line going up toward the top. And we'll flatten off the top. Let's split the square in half with a straight line going across the middle. And we want to fill the top half of the eyes in black. Now we're going to do the same thing across the side heads. Start with the bottom, coming in. Then again, just adding those squares on either side. And we'll split the eyes in half. And we'll fill the top halves in black. Now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Minecraft wither. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.